tell Jim.
Yeah, it's the best of 3, so they're playing to 15, games to 15. Pool play now, I think there's 4 in their pool, then I'll go to bracket, and then final. You'll be next tennis course, right on. Have you broken any bones? Let's go, Meg.
On court 7, Howard Shook versus Louis Esparza.
Inside the gym at,
I think this
nice,
is
Meg.
they've won
When we took lessons from Bentley, that one.
They won the first.
Now he's with our gym.
Go, Megan! On court 6, Broadway Elmore versus Alexander Taylor.
I don't know.
Right here.
I don't know what he's doing today.
Oh.
I haven't seen him.
I thought you asked what the score is. Let's go, Meg.
1-0.
It was impressive.
Oh, so close.
So I was thinking, you know, like,
Her arms on fire today.
Nobody's home.
We'll just be in the backyard.
Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Way to go.
Woo. What? Did you see that, Phil?
That was nice.
See Jesse. Mom show. They're on their anniversary in beautiful Kingman. Way to go, girls.
Right.
They're on fire, I told you. I couldn't pretend. I'm like, that's not where most people go. Maybe Vegas. Maybe even Laughlin. Not Kingman.
Can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger.
Pay your local 400 extra.
I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Who was that girl?
Between
No coach.
and me.
Nobody should take.
Who's Jesse playing?
Haley something Summers. Yeah. I wasn't sure if it was out on the girl or because I think she touched it. Yeah.